All right.
Are we ready?
Recording. Still makes a little bit of pulsation.
Well, here comes a helicopter. Here's full flaps.
It really sounded smooth on the takeoff.
This is full flaps, no motor.
Wow, look at that float.
A little bit of motor.
No crashes. Can't have any crashes. Boy, that flies good, and it's pretty windy too.
Flaps all the way off. Now with that lighter weight battery, I can really tell the flaps doing more. Click the flaps.
All right.
Taking off uphill. And we're up and away.
Yeah, the props are counter-rotating. So, in case anyone asked.
Right, here we go, full flaps. Oh, that's still too much altitude. Yeah, it's way too much altitude.
Where is it? Oh yeah, that was better. Yeah.
I didn't see Laura standing